You be my honeysuckle. I'll be
Everyone, welcome back to Be Creative Stamping and my Be Creative tip of the week. In this week's tip, I am focusing on the 1/8 of an inch sheer ribbon. It's available in Whisper White, Calypso Coral, Old Olive, and Rich Razzleberry. Let me show you where you can find it in our brand new 2018 Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. It is featured right here on page 201. Now, sometimes we need a ribbon color that we just don't have. And so I want to share with you how you can color your ribbon to make it coordinate with all of your projects. We're going to use the Melon Mambo, and this is the brand new ink pad right here, and also a sponge dauber. And let me just cut off a small piece of ribbon just to show you how to color this. All right. You're just going to lay your ribbon on the pad and use your sponge dauber, and color your ribbon like this. Give it a few minutes to dry, and once it's dry, and then take the other end and color that. And then you can also check the back if you need to. And so that way, once this dries, it'll lighten up and it will be Melon Mambo ribbon. Let me show you one more sample. We do not carry the organza ribbon anymore. This was in our 2018 Occasions catalog, but it's one of my favorites, and so I did purchase some extra of this. And this is a wonderful ribbon to show you an example with. So again, we'll just use Melon Mambo, and I'm using the organza ribbon, and I am just lightly sponging, okay? And then of course, once this dries, I can do the other end. Now, as you can see, I have not been waiting for my ribbon to dry. Thank you so much for joining Be Creative Stamping today and my Be Creative tip of the week.
You be my honeysuckle. I'll be your honey.